Hey, so far I've covered as how important it is to create content, how to produce content. It's the most important part of you being a coach, like running a coaching business. When does it actually start to hurt your business? When does too much content creation cause reverse of fortune? When does it actually start to create pain, failure? When? This episode is just for you. How to help others using your knowledge, skills, and expertise and build a profitable online business. At the same time, overcome daily challenges of self-doubt and procrastination while maintaining relationships and good health. I'm Chinmai Swamy, and welcome to Daily Dynamo for short and powerful episodes with proven strategies and systems to boost your confidence, increase your sales, and get virtual clients. Hey, this is Chinmai Swamy. Welcome to another episode of Daily Dynamo. Well, in this episode, a key question as to when is it too much information? When does it start to hurt your business? Well, here's the thing. Too much information is always good. It's never going to hurt you. The more information you put out, it's good for your business. The thing which hurts your business is when you generate too much information and you don't market it. Like you create all these videos, and you create all these posts and these videos, and you don't send it out. You don't put it on social media. You don't market it. You don't publicize it. You don't tell people about this. That's when it hurts you. And the next thing is, one of the key things is that you need to put out content every day. You need to let people know what you do so that they are aware of your skills, your expertise, your brand, how you can help them. And when you are putting that information out there, if you do it every day, there'll be a tendency that you need to have some in the bank so that you don't have, in case you forget, that it's always going out, so that you end up creating content days in advance. So that way you have, let's say if you have to create one video a day and you end up creating 40 videos, then you're set for 40 days. You don't have to do any video. Now that is wrong. That will impact you. Reason is, the purpose for you to create content every day is that you are creating your coaching business. Every time you sit down and you write 3 ideas and you sit in front of the camera and you produce those ideas, you produce those videos, or you write emails, or you create quotes and you put them on social media, you're creating a coach in you. You are recreating the coach every day, okay, from ground up, so it becomes more powerful. You're setting your intentions to be a coach very strong every day. And when you do too much into the future, then that implies that you can't create every day, and you're operating out of scarcity mindset that, oh, what if I'm busy the next day, or what if you are traveling, or what if of course there are some unplanned events. So that's why to help you with that, you create few videos in advance. But other than that, you are always creating every day, because it puts you at cause. It puts you in the driving seat. So if you come from the mindset that, oh, let me create for the whole month, let me create 20 videos right away, I don't know when I'll get the next chance. When you come from that mindset, you're operating out of scarcity. That means you're already accepted defeat, which implies that you can't create. The ability to create is not in your control. The ability to produce content is not in your control. Anything can happen any day, so you have no idea. Today is the best day. Let's do it now. It's like make hay while the sun shines, that kind of. No, you make hay all the time. You create content under your control. So that mindset always puts you at driving seat. So when you create content with the mindset of scarcity, it damages you. But when you create content saying that, I'm traveling for the next 3-4 days, I am having some family travel, so family functions, or I'm just going out with your family, just having some days out, you are unable to create content for maybe 1 or 2 days. For those days, so you always have a buffer of 4 or 5 days of content. That's it. Other than that, you always create content. It puts you in the driving seat. It's always fun. Hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you in the next episode of Daily Dynamo. Hey, this is Chinmai Swamy, your host at Daily Dynamo. Be sure to follow and subscribe for new and energetic episodes. If you liked today's episode, please join the next live training, Virtual Sales Mastermind, where you will learn how to sell your advice online and get virtual clients. It's absolutely free. Simply go to virtualsalesmastermind.com to register for the free live training. See you in the next episode. Bye.